as long as your neighbor has a blueberry tree. Then you can also do it without spending a penny. The blueberry saplings, just like him. Simple operation. Fail as soon as you learn. Blueberries are like grapes. When the winter enters the dormant period, the leaves will fall off. Before the spring branches and leaves germinate, take scissors and cut off some branches to take home. Fill a cup with water. Blueberry branches cut into small segments, soaking water and absorb enough water. Pay attention, there should be 2 or 3 buds on each branch. Prepare a nursery tray. You can also use some disposable cups. Remember to punch holes in the bottom to drain. The mechanism of cutting is 7 parts peat soil plus 3 parts rice husk. Loose and breathable. Helps to take root. After installing the soil, put the bottom of the soaked blueberry branches. Cut twice like this. Plug it into the mechanism. This helps the cuttings to absorb water. They produce larger colors, more conducive to rooting and survival. After the cuttings are done, water well and place in a warm semi-shady place. Be sure to keep the substrate moist during this period, just slightly wet. Don't let it dry. Once it's done, it will dehydrate. The branches will dry up. The cuttings failed. About 2 months, branches take root and sprout. Grown into seedlings, at this time, it needs to be transplanted into a larger flower pot for false planting. False soil, still 7 parts peat soil plus 3 parts rice husks. When the flower pot is filled with soil, no need to take out the cuttings of blueberry seedlings on time. Transplant into pots. Choose even or claddy transplanting. Survival rate will be higher. Blueberry cuttings are generally in spring from February to April. Because the temperature is suitable at this time, the survival rate of cuttings is relatively high. Many people find it difficult to grow blueberries. In fact, as long as the soil is prepared in advance, you are 80% successful. Blueberries like acidic soil. Requires loose ventilation. Rich in organic matter. The pH is around 5. It is best to use for parts peat soil plus for parts pine. Needle soil plus 2 pieces of pastoral soil mixed. Or 5 parts nutrient soil plus 5 parts pine needle soil. It is best to add a little sulfur powder when mixing soil. Adjust pH value. Did you learn it?